Good morning to the respected teachers and my dear colleagues. As we all know, the reason of nice gathering here in such a huge crowd. We are here to celebrate Teachers' Day today. First of all, I would like to thank my class teacher to give me such a big opportunity to speak here at this occasion. 5th of September is the birth anniversary of the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and teacher. In his later life, first he became the Vice President of Indian Republic and then the President of Indian Republic. Students all across the country observe this day to pay respect to their teachers. It is truly said that teachers are like backbone of our society. They play a great role in building up the character of students and shape them to become an ideal citizens of India. Teachers teach students very carefully and sincerely, just like their own children. It is well said that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers shape her character and make future bright. Thus, we never forget and ignore them. We always respect and love them. So, come on my dear friends, say together that our respected teachers, we are always grateful to you for all you do to us. My dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice to be the worthy citizens of India.